Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you the second part of this beautiful set. I hope that you have enjoyed and that you have finished to make the beanie with me, because today I'm going to show you how you can make the handbag following the same technique of chessboard stitch. We are going to use the same combinations, the same colors, and here I will give you all my secrets and tips of how you can crochet using the zipper. So please stay tuned till the end, and please, before we start, it's very important that you subscribe. I got the surprise that only 20% of the people that watch my videos is subscribed. Please, it's very important and it's completely free, and it will be an amazing gift to my work. But well, I will give you the material list and then the step by step. Well, this is part of the material list. We are going to use a zipper like this one, and with embroidery needle and using the stop, we are going to make some holes at the same distance in the zipper. As you could see, I made all of these holes at the same distance. Now I will use the hook that I will use to make the stitch, and I will pass it through so I could open more the holes. Okay, so when you crochet, it will be easier to pass the hook and with the yarn too. Well, as part of the material list, we are going to continue using the same combination that we use in the beanie in case that you want to complete the set. So we are going to use 3 different colors. I will use this brown, beige and mustard, and I will use the hook of number 2 millimeters and also the hook of 3.5 millimeters. So in this case I will use the hook of number 2 first to start, and we are going to insert the hook through the zipper, and through the holes we are going to make first one row of single crochet. In each stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet together, in each hole. Okay, in each hole we are going to make 2 single crochet together. If you crochet a little bit tight, well, change the hook for a small number so you can make this part tight. Okay, it's very important. Okay, at the end we are going to turn around and make, but you will see, I will check if 4 chains are enough. Okay, we'll make one more, so 5 chains to go all around to the other side and continue making the single crochet. I think 5 chains are perfect, so when we fold it to continue making the rest of the bag will be enough, right? So also in this part we are going to make in each hole 2 single crochet inside. And well, like this we are going to continue the whole row, and also in the other side we are going to make 5 chains to close the row. Well, so here we finished the row. Now we are going to turn around, and as we made here 5 chains, we are going to make 5 chains to close the row, and we will slip one here to finish. Okay, so we will go up. To start with the next row, we will go up with 1 chain. Now in each stitch we are going to make 1 half double crochet. Also we are going to continue using this color, okay? And I was thinking that maybe I will use this hook in the rest of the handbag, because remember that I gave you the hook of 3.5 millimeters. So I think I'm going to use this hook in the rest, so all the handbag, it can look like close and tight, right? So I will continue making this row all around. And well, here we arrive where we have the chains, right? So here it will be the same. We are going to continue making a 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and we won't increase any stitch or so, okay? Because we want to close and we don't want to keep volume in this part. So as a tip, please take all the stitches the same way, okay? If you are taking the back part of the chain only, well, take it the whole stitch. I suggest that you take 2 threads of the back, So like this we won't create any hole in the stitch and go in order. And if here you made 5, make 5 half double crochet. And like this we are going to continue in the other side too. We will make the same. So see you at the end of this half double crochet row. Okay, so we finished the row. So far it's looking good, right? Here at the end we are going to sew and close this part so we can make sure that this won't undo. Well, we are going to follow the same technique that we used to make the beanie. In case that you haven't watched, here in the description box I will leave the link so you can make it. And if you want, you can use the same combination, or you can change a little bit. Like here, like we started also with the elastic with this brown, and then we change using the mustard and the light beige. Well, I will make the same, okay? Now I will take the mustard and I will use it first. And here I will cut. Well, here we will start and we will go up with 3 chains with the mustard color, or well, the color that you choose. And we are going to start making, as we made here, 6 double crochet. Remember, 2, 4, and 6. So we are going to make 6 double crochet, and the first chains that we made at the beginning will count as 1. But here let me start all over again so I can take the stitch like this, correct? Okay, so here we will start. We will go up with 3 chains and then 6 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. And as you could see, I'm continue using the hook of 2 millimeters, so I will use it for the rest of the handbag. So here we have 6 double crochet. We are making this double crochet out of 2 crochet. Then we will make a knot, and remember, we won't cut the thread. We are going to pass it through while we crochet, so we are going to keep it in the bottom, and this will be our secret. Okay, so we won't cut. We will take these 2 threads. We will leave this mustard thread in the bottom, so while we crochet we are going to take it too. I will use my thumb to take this mustard and then the rest of my fingers to take the other thread. So I will continue, and also I will make 6 double crochet with this color. Well, like this, alternating the colors, we are going to continue all around. And if you made the beanie, for you it will be a piece of cake, right? Because you have practiced and you have seen that it's the same. So like this, each 6 double crochet without cutting the thread, we are going to continue making this segment with 6 double crochet each, and using each color, right? So see you at the end of this row. Well, here I finished with the exact stitches, 6, and I started also with 6, right? Because here I have at the end 1 stitch left. But here we'll just slip 1 to close, and like this is how we will make it, okay? So this is a secret between you and me. So well, I will make 2 rows more, following and respecting the order of colors. And as you could tell here in the wrong side, you don't see the thread that we are hiding. You see? So it's perfect. So we are going to follow the same technique, and also each 6 double crochet I will change color. Here I will go up with 6 with 3 chains, and these 3 chains will count as 1. So now I will use the mustard, and this is the second row with this color. I'm going to make 3 with each color, okay? And we will continue like this the whole row, and remember that each segment have 6 double crochet. So I will continue and see you at the end of this row. Well, I finished to make the 3 rows with each color. Remember to count in each segment we must have 6. 6 double crochet. So now as the beanie, we made one row with mustard and beige, then one row with beige and brown. So now I would change the color. I will cut the mustard and I will take the brown and I will make a knot and we will repeat. And now we are going to alternate. Here in the beige, we are going to make the brown, and in the mustard, we are going to make and use the beige. Okay, so we are going to alternate. So here we are going to make a knot, and also while we make this row, we can hide these threads that we have here. Okay, and also we are continue using the row number 2. Sorry, the hook of number 2. So here in the mustard, over the mustard, we are going to make the row with beige. So we will go up with 3 chains and will be the same. Well, and like this, we are going to alternate. Remember that one series is made with 3 rows with the same color, okay? So we are going to decide how many series we want to make until we get the length of the handbag that we want. So I will continue alternating the colors. I will continue making more series and see you at the end. And remember, at the end of each series, we are going to cut and change color. In this case, in the next series, I will cut the brown and I will take the mustard again. So the color that we always keep in all the series is the beige, right? And remember, with each color, we are going to make 3 rows, and these 3 rows will count as one series. So like this, we are going to continue making as many rows, as many series as we need until we get the length of the handbag that we want. Look, I made 4 series. I think it's enough. I want a small handbag. Here we have our zipper, and here we are going to make at the end, we are going to sew, okay? So we will make sure that this won't undo. Well, here at the end with the brown, I will make one row of double crochet. I already made it. Remember that I'm using the same color that I used at the beginning. And now we are going to make some rows with the elastic stitch. And well, the elastic stitch is, we are going to once place the hook in the back and make double crochet, and once we are going to place the hook in front and make a double crochet in the back and in front, and like this we are going to alternate while we place the hook and we take the stitch. Okay, so once in the back, once in front, and this is the elastic stitch. Like this we are going to continue the whole row, and we are going to repeat until we have approximately 3 centimeters. And in the coming rows we are going to respect. If we take the stitch from the back, we are going to take it from the back, and if we take it in front, we are going to take it in front. Well, here I finished. I made 2 rows with elastic stitch, so to me it's perfect. Here I will cut and I will make a knot right here, and now I finished. Now I will use the embroidery needle so I can join both sides and I can close the bottom, okay? In this case I have thought about it, and I think it's easier with the embroidery needle, but if you want you can use your hook too. It's okay. So we are going to use a long thread and we are going to go in order. Later we will hide all the threads that we have. Please like adjust, put all the stitch the same in their place, and now we will take one stitch from here and one stitch from the other side. We are going to make the invisible stitch. Well, we don't have to repeat any stitch. Go in order and enjoy it, okay? So we will continue like this until the end, and now I will show you how we are going to make the handbag, okay? The handle of the handbag, sorry. And well, remember to take both parts of the stitch like this in both sizes and take all the stitches the same. I know that there are a lot of kinds of handles, but in this case I want to show you one that it's round, but you can use and you can make the handle that you want, or maybe you can leave it like this. Okay, at the end we are going to sew here at the end to make sure that the zipper will be perfect. And well, I did get ahead and I finished to make the handle. This is the handle that I made. I used the same stitch, the elastic stitch that we use here in the bottom. So I made 8 double crochet and I alternate. Once I place the hook in the back, once I place the hook in front, and I continue like this until I get the long of the handle that I want. I will crochet with you so you can see exactly how it is. And remember that we are going to respect. If we take the stitch in front, we are going to take it in front the coming rows. And if we place the hook in the back, well, we are going to place the hook in the back in the coming rows too. And like this, we are going to continue making this elastic stitch with double crochet. We will go in order. And like this, we finish. At the end, we are going to sew both sides of this handle, and with this we finish. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed completing this set with me. Remember that if you haven't watched the beanie, I will leave the link in the description box below so you can complete and make this beautiful set. I hope that you enjoyed it, and remember, I was very sad because this morning I realized only the 20% of the people that watch my videos hit subscribe. So please, if you are part of that of that 80 next percent that you haven't subscribed, I invite all of you to do it. If the best reward as a content creator that you subscribe to my channel. Okay, but well, thank you so much and stay tuned for the coming videos. I hope that at the end of this month I could make an extra video for you, so instead of 2 videos we can have 3. But well, thank you so much for watching till the end. Take care. Bye bye.